A 48 News update out of the Shoals. The police officer's accused murderer third mental evaluation just got approved by the court system. Paying for Brian Martin's next mental evaluation could come with a hefty price tag for you, the taxpayer, up to $10,000. WAFF 48's Aria Pons is live in the Shoals. Aria, you spoke to an attorney earlier today who called these steps a necessary evil.
Margot, I spoke with attorney Mark McDaniel, who has no stake in this case. However, he has been a part of hundreds of other capital murder cases throughout the years. He tells me that all of these steps are necessary so that due process is followed and that Brian Martin receives a fair trial. The court approved a total of $10,000 that can be spent to pay a neurotherapist for Martin's next mental evaluation. It's important to note here that Martin and his team asked for another mental eval on himself. That makes this the third one. He'll receive a psychological assessment as well as a neuropsychological test, which I'm told is to test his brain function, mental health, and more. If Martin is found competent, the Colbert County judge expects this capital murder trial to start no later than next summer for the murder of Sheffield Police Sergeant Nick Reisner in 2021. As McDaniel explains, if they don't take these steps now, then his case could get overturned after a conviction.
If they didn't do it, and if there's a conviction and death penalty, you're going to have another, I promise you, you're going to have another lawyer or lawyers looking at this and going through it and say, well, you should have done this, you should have done that. Or, you know, that's the process. That's the way it works.
McDaniel says that each capital case is different with different circumstances, meaning that they have different timelines, and you can never really guess how long a trial will be set for. Now, back in August, when Brian Martin had his mental competency hearing, the judge ordered his defense team to have this third mental evaluation in at least 60 days. Reporting live, Aria Pons, 48 on your side.